After only a day or two, the eggs zip open. Tiny creatures called larvae wiggle out into the water. They do not fly yet, instead they swim upside down to breathe air from the surface. These larvae are very hungry.
The secret life of a mosquito. Deep in a quiet, still pond, a mother mosquito finds a safe spot. She lays her tiny black eggs right on top of the water. They float together like a little raft, waiting for the right moment to change and grow. After only a day or two, the eggs zip open. Tiny creatures called larvae wiggle out into the water. They look like little hairy worms. They do not fly yet. Instead, they swim upside down to breathe air from the surface. These larvae are very hungry. They spend their time eating tiny bits of plants and germs in the water. By cleaning the pond this way, they help keep the water healthy for other small water friends like snails and beetles. As they eat, the larvae grow too big for their skins. They shed their old skin 4 times to make room for their growing bodies. This is called molting. Each time, they come out a little bit bigger and stronger than before. In the pond, the larvae are a yummy snack for others. Fish, frogs, and dragonflies love to eat them. This is one way mosquitoes help nature. They provide a big feast that keeps many other animals full and happy. Soon, the larva changes into a pupa. It looks like a small comma or a tiny tumbling bean. The pupa does not eat at all. It just floats and rests while its body goes through a magical change inside its hard shell. Inside the pupa, wings and long legs begin to grow. It is like a tiny kitchen cooking up a brand new bug. After a few days, the skin on its back splits open. A fully grown mosquito slowly crawls out to meet the world. The new mosquito rests on the water's surface for a short time. It must wait for its wings to dry and harden in the sun. If it tries to fly too soon with wet wings, it might fall back into the water and get stuck. Once dry, the mosquito takes its very first flight. It hums through the air looking for food. Most people think they only drink blood, but that is not true. Both males and females actually love to drink sweet flower nectar. By visiting different flowers to drink nectar, mosquitoes help plants. Just like bees, they carry pollen from one bloom to another. This helps flowers make seeds so new plants can grow in the garden next year. Only the female mosquito bites. She needs the protein from blood to help her tiny eggs grow inside her. She uses a special mouth that works like a straw. The male mosquito never bites. He is happy just eating sugar from plants. Mosquitoes use their antennae to find targets. They can smell the breath that humans and animals breathe out. They also like warmth. When they find a cozy spot, they land softly to take what they need for her future babies. Even though their itchy bites can be annoying, mosquitoes are important. They are a huge part of the food web. Without them, many birds and bats would have a very hard time finding enough food to feed their own families. After the female has what she needs, she looks for a quiet pool of water again. She rests and prepares to start the cycle all over. She will lay her own raft of eggs, making sure the next generation is ready to hatch. The life of a mosquito is short, but very busy. From a tiny egg in a pond to a buzzing flyer in the sky, they play a big role in our world. Nature has a special place for every creature, even the ones that make us itch. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.